How to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. Welcome to the channel that brings the future to your fingertips, right here at Future Forward. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and get ready to unlock your potential in the digital world. Trust me, this one small step will set you on the path to living smarter and embracing the tech-driven lifestyle of the modern era. Now, imagine this, you're ready to seize an opportunity. Maybe it's a new investment, or maybe you've got your eye on the next big crypto trend. But there's one problem. Your USDT is stuck on OKX, and you need it on Binance ASAP to make your move. Sounds simple, right? But even one small mistake during the transfer could cost you everything. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to safely transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance, quickly, easily, and securely. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating these platforms like a pro. But pay close attention, because missing even one detail could leave you with lost funds, frustration, and wasted time. And hey, stick around until the end because I'll be sharing a pro tip that can save you both time and money on transaction fees. You don't want to miss it. All right, let's dive into it. First things first, log in to your OKX account. Before we continue, take a deep breath and double check that you're logging in securely. Remember, the number one rule of crypto is security. Got it? Good. Step 1. Finding your USDT on OKX. Head over to your OKX wallet. Once inside, look for your USDT balance. This might seem straightforward, but let me warn you, clicking the wrong tab or selecting the wrong token can delay the process. Stay focused here. Pattern interrupt. You wouldn't want to be that person transferring Bitcoin when you meant to send USDT, right? Trust me, it happens more often than you think. Step 2. Preparing for the transfer. Now, here's the critical part. Hit the withdraw button. But before you do, ask yourself, do I have my Binance deposit address ready? If not, head over to Binance, log in, and grab your unique USDT deposit address. And remember, double and triple check the address before pasting it anywhere. One wrong character, your funds could be lost forever. Let that sink in for a second. By the way, have you ever wondered why crypto transfers are irreversible? It's because there's no middleman, it's all decentralized. Amazing, but also a little scary, right? Step 3. Choosing the right network. Now comes the part that confuses a lot of people, the network selection. On OKX, you'll need to select the network you're using to transfer USDT. Typically, you'll see options like ERC20 or TRC20. Each has different fees and speeds. If you're in a hurry and want to save on fees, TRC20 is often the better choice. But there's one major risk with TRC20 that no one talks about. Don't worry, I'll cover it shortly. Step 4. Finalizing the transfer. Once you've selected the network, paste your Binance deposit address into the appropriate field on OKX. Double-check everything, token type, amount, and network. You'll then confirm the transaction and complete any 2FA or email verification steps. This is your final safety net, so don't rush it. Now the waiting game begins. Depending on the network, the transfer could take a few minutes to an hour. And remember, patience is key. Refreshing your Binance wallet every 10 seconds won't make it go any faster. We've all done it though, right? Staring at the screen like it's going to speed up the blockchain. Spoiler, it won't. Here's the pro tip I promised you. If you're transferring large amounts, always send a small test amount first. Yes, it takes an extra step, but it's worth it for peace of mind. Would you rather lose $10 or $10,000 to a copy-paste error? And about that TRC20 risk I mentioned earlier, while it's faster and cheaper, it's not supported by every platform. Make sure Binance explicitly supports the TRC20 network for your USDT deposits before selecting it. Otherwise, you'll be sending your funds into a void, never to be seen again. Finally, check your Binance wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. Once you see your USDT sitting there safely, take a moment to celebrate. You've just conquered another step in the crypto journey. You've successfully transferred USDT from OKX to Binance, and you're one step closer to mastering the modern financial world. But this is just the beginning. Want to learn how to maximize your crypto investments? Check out my next video, where I reveal the top strategies for multiplying your gains on Binance without taking unnecessary risks. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and of course, subscribe to Future Forward for more actionable guides to help you thrive in this digital century. Your future starts now. Let's build it together.